Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Pal Ever Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a kind of an announcement video. Now, most people here will know me as some chap who talks about Mortal Realms magazine, paints a few Warhammer models, and yeah, that's about it really. But what I do love to do is also play video games. So, starting this week, what I wanted to do was announce that I wanted what I'm doing and the intention I have to live stream. Now, I'll be live streaming on Twitch TV at least twice per week, where you're going to be able to catch me playing games such as Blood Bowl 2, Necromunda Underhive Wars, and random few other bits, maybe even Total War, possibly not Wartime because I'm terrible at it. But if that's something that you might be interested in, or you just want to hang out, have a chat, you can find my channel in the link in the description down below and on screen now. Now, stream announcements will be made on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook a fair few hours before I go live, so if you feel like dropping in, you'll get plenty of notice on that. Now, this is not going to affect the videos on the channel that you're going to see, so you can still expect to see Mortal Realms every Wednesday, the occasional other videos as well, like we normally have been before, and everything like that, so nothing else here will change. Right. I've kept you all long enough. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on live stream soon. Bye bye now.